Hi, in the previous video I have shown you the general overview of the NutriBot software, and at this video I would like to show you the details about the e-commerce and support layer. First of all, you need to notice that the e-commerce and support layer is built with 4 different platforms. There is a client's online store, the client's website panel, client's mobile app, and the features for your company, the back office features. The customer journey for the clients I have shown in the different videos. There is a playlist with the customer journey, so I will link it here. And if you are interested in the customer side of the software, I introduce you to watch these videos. At this video I will show you the company's features. So if we go to our back office, then what is important? The back office features, the administration side of the software is based on the website, so you can use it on any computer with the browser and internet connection. After login, you will see the dashboard, so the most important information like your sales in the different periods, like monthly periods or in the month, week, day, so you can change the periods here. You will see the most important information like how much of payments you have received, and below the most important stats. Of course, I have a dummy data here because it is a test account, but what is here? How much of orders you received through the ordering website, through the mobile apps, through the CRM, so from the back office perspective, there is more new customers or renewals, which payment method is the most popular, which meal plan, which add-ons, and at the very bottom you will see the summary of your rates, of your meal plan rates, and the negative comments. Of course, we collect all the comments, I will show it later, but here you will see the most important, the negative comments. If you would like to reply on that comment, you can click here, action, answer, and you can send immediate answer to your client. They will receive push notification and the email with your answer. If we go to the very top, of course, we have the white help section. You can find the knowledge base here, where is tons of articles and all our videos with the system training. At the right hand side you will see some kind of badges, which are like in the social media, the notifications. They will show you what have happened in the software since your last login. So you will see all the information that someone placed an order, someone selected the meals, and from what device they have done it. Of course, you can read it or not. It is only to be up to date. Everything is the software is done automatically. I can click history read, and I don't have any badges. If I go to the left hand side panel, I can choose the customers, and here I will see all my customers. I can filter them here, I can browse them, I can add a new customer from this perspective, so if someone called me or WhatsApp me, I can add a new customer and new order from this perspective. I can export all the clients. If I go to one of the clients' details, I can see all the information about this client. Starting from the simple notes I can add here. Of course, there is his data, like the name, surname, email, phone, and whatever. There is the invoice details and list of his invoices if you have the integration with the account software. There is his account, so you can reset the password, create an account, and whatever. There is his operation history, so we can see what this customer have done on his account. So if he changed the meal, he moved the delivery to the another day, he changed the delivery address, and all the changes are here. There is the deposits list and the deposits item status and his loyalty program status. Then on the right side we have the most important information like his last order, his exclusions if you allow for them, the balance, the number of points, we can add the points, subtract or whatever. There is a list of his orders and his delivery addresses. We can of course edit everything or add something if we would like to. There is his meal ratings and the surveys completed by this customer. If it is about the orders, I can go to the details here, or I can see all the orders there. This is more e-commerce view. It is not the production view. Here I can see how many orders I have received, the order statuses, the payments, the most advanced e-commerce view. I can of course add more columns if I would like to see something different here, and I can go to the order details here, or I can back to my customer details. And now in the similar way I can go to the order details clicking here. And now, as you can see, I am still in the customer detail, but at the very top I have additional rectangle with the order details. I can see here his meal plan or the details what is in his cart. I can change the payment method. I can change the payment status that it is, for example, partially paid right now. I can confirm the order to send it to the kitchen, or I can set it to be automatical. I can add a discount, change the price, whatever, and I can manage these subscriptions. So I can change the meal days by drag and drop. I can change the meals by choosing them for the customer. I can replace the meal plan if someone changed his mind and, for example, would like to swap to the keto diet. I can change the delivery methods, the cancel delivery, or move delivery to another address, and I can make a change for the single day or for all days starting from this day. And at the very last tab, I can see the history of changes. So if me or someone from my team change anything, or the client by himself, I will see all the history here. It was the most important information about the customers and orders management. Then we can go to the potential customers, when you can see all the leads. If someone would like to place an order on your website and you, for example, don't deliver to his area, he can leave his data and you can contact with him later. Then we have the delivery map, which will show you the heat map, where is the most popular places from where you receive most of the orders. And there is a segment, so you can create some kind of customer segments, like all your active customers with the active meal plans right now, or for example VIP customers which spend more than $2,000, for example, on your meal plans. So you can segment your clients, and then based on that you can send the messages to this client. Then the section below will allow you to create your offer. Here you can add all of your meal plans, you can add the photos, you can set what kind of variants it has, you can set the pricing, the discounts, and so on. Below you will find your add-ons section, so you can create here all the products you would like to upsell to your clients. And you can set different kind of information like the deposits, product categories, and so on. I will not go to the details in this video. We will describe the dietitian module in the next video. Then about the e-commerce and support features, we can go below. There is a communication section and messages, so you can create any message and send it through the email, text message, push notification. You can choose your best segment, like the active customers or VIP customers or expired customers, and you can send them the message with the discount code. For example, hey, please reorder in our campaign, and here is 20% discount code. Pretty useful, pretty powerful. Below you will find all the meal ratings. Of course, you can browse them, you can filter them, you can export them to the Excel sheet to improve the quality of your food. Once again, I will tell that all the meal ratings is only for your information, to receive feedback about your communication. One customer don't see the rates of the another one. There is a news section, so you can create your blog posts or your more advanced blog messages and send them to your clients. You can send the push notifications with them and inform client that, for example, you have added the new meal plan to your offer and it is worth consideration. There is a list of notifications. You can create the surveys and send to your clients, and here you will see all the completed surveys so you can revise them. One level above you will see sales and marketing features, starting from the special offers, so you can add the promo banners which will be visible on the ordering website and the mobile apps. There is really advanced feature of the promo codes. So here you can create different kind of promo codes with many logical conditions. For example, you can add 20% of discounts for the second meal plan on the same address for the couples. There is a list of used promo codes, and here is the part of your loyalty program. So the 4 features below will be connected with your loyalty program. You can set your loyalty program rules here, so you can set how many points for what you will give your clients. And then here you will see your partners, so all your customer which creates his referral links and they would like to share your company and collect the points. You can create also the more business-like partners here and the money-based referrals, and you can share them with the influencers, for examples. Then there is list of all the orders from the ref links and rewards, so you can create what kind of rewards are available in the loyalty program. There is ordered rewards with their statuses, and last but not least, the settings area. So here you can set how your store will look and feel, what is the background, what kind of features you would like to share with your clients, like the menu, meal plans, a calorie demand calculator, and so on. You can add your documents like the terms and conditions here. You can add the auto notifications and set them. You can change the transactional emails. You can set your labels and different kind of things. And in the huge shortcut, it is the e-commerce and support part. I hope this video will be useful, and see you in the next one where we will describe the dietitian section. Bye.